So today I'll be showing you how to set up Python. So first you'll be seeing this. You'll need to don't click uninstall, as that will just wipe the thing from your computer and you have to start all over again. First let's check repair and I'm gonna make sure everything's done properly. Okay, this may take some time, so just please be patient. Yeah, this may take like a minute or two. Oh, we finished repair. Okay, and then don't take. I'll put the py launcher, which makes it easier to start. But please don't unclick anything. Then you click next. So in the advanced user options, you will wanna associate files with Python and download the debugging symbols and debugging binaries. And that's all you need. Okay, so now you're ready. Okay, then let me cancel that real quick. And then you will need to go into this, and then you'll just look around and you will want to find Python. So once I've found Python, I'll just go on and use it, which I'm going to show you in this case. So you click this, and you'll click like blah 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 blah. Although this is not real command, but something. Okay, so that's how you install Python. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Python Teacher.